Hi friends, welcome to Felish channel. Please watch our video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe. The big one is the mother one, the white paper, and the color paper can be the daddy, and the small one can be the baby. Look, it's like my one is like they both are swimming in the sea, and the little fish want to jump out of the sea and come inside again. Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a fish like this one I made. You only need paper and you don't need any other material. I made this out of paper. It is a square shape paper over here and a marker and some glue. So the first step you need to do is fold it into half. Step 2. Fold the paper into a smaller square. After you fold it, open it. Step 3. Put your finger inside and bring it like this. Step 4. Fold it over here. And next, it will be like this. And I turn it over and do the same thing here. Slide it. Just fold it. And you take this part and fold it. Step 5. Just fold it like this. There you go. And take the other side and do the same. And just fold it nicely. Here it is. Your fish. It looks like this. If your little fish just needs a little bit of gluing. So I glue it first. I'm gonna take this side and fold it like this. So now I'm gonna just draw it. Now we just need to color it. I have finished coloring, drawing and folding the fish. So it looks like this and it's very nice and so easy to do, right? If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.